Adding content to your course includes the setup of folders and adding files to various content areas. Folders inside of Blackboard are a means of organizing your course. Some examples of organization can include setting up folders for various weeks of instructions, instructional units, or specific course content. Files are individual items that are uploaded from your computer. They include such things as Word documents, PowerPoint presentations, Excel spreadsheets, PDFs, or any other type of file that you might use and save on your computer. Access the content area inside of Blackboard that you created. Choose from the Build Content menu this item Content folder. Build Content, you simply need to hover over the menu item and slide to Content folder. Give your Content folder a name and type in a brief description of what that folder contains or what you want your students to do with that folder. Scroll down. Choose Viewing Options, controlling the dates that your students would see that folder, when it opens, when it closes. If you set no date, it will automatically be visible to your students under this Yes setting right here, and simply click Submit. Inside of your content area now, you will see a folder along with a description of what that folder is for. To access that folder, simply click the title, the name of that folder, and this content area inside of the folder opens up. Under the Build Content area, you have two options for adding files. The first one is to simply click File, give the link a name, browse your computer to find the file that you would like, choose whether you want to open that in a new window or not. I'm going to select Yes. Determine the dates you would like that file to be visible. Not setting a date will make the file visible to students immediately. Click the Submit button. In the lower left-hand corner, depending on your browser, you might see a percentage scale. That's the upload of the file to Blackboard. Depending on your internet connection, that can vary in how fast it uploads. And now we see here a file. In this case, it's entitled Course Syllabus. When a student clicks on Course Syllabus, in a new window of my browser, it opens, and here is my course syllabus. This is a PDF format of my course syllabus. Depending on the type of file that you've chosen here will dictate how your computer handles that file. Most browsers open PDFs in a new tab, as just was demonstrated. Other documents such as Word, Excel, spreadsheets, PowerPoints, or other file types would cause the computer to open that content or those items inside of the program that's on the computer, such as Word or Excel or PowerPoint. The second way to add a file to your content area is to choose this link that says Item under the Build Content menu. Once we've chosen that, we can go ahead and give our item a name here. We may give it a brief description. We would scroll down to the Attachments area, browse our computer for that particular file, choose it, open it. Notice it attaches here. If we have chosen the wrong one, simply click Do Not Attach and browse again. The strength of using an item to add files is that we can add more than one file at one time. I could click Browse My Computer again and add another file into the same area. Again, I can control my view options along with dates, when it is available and when it is available until. If I set no dates, it will automatically be visible. Click my Submit button. The computer will upload this. Notice it's in the lower left-hand corner. Once Blackboard has finished uploading your content, notice the difference in this item here. Instead of being a clickable link, as this file is right here, an item has a title along with a description, and then it has two different files in here that you can have your students click on to open. So the PDF, I click, it opens in a new tab the PDF view of that particular file. So inside of my content area, I now have added a folder which further contains content inside of it. In this case, an file, which is my course syllabus, or an item which contains files which I can then add into my class.